Alright, we'll go ahead and continue call-outs. We're going to be headed east on Route 68. Bill's going to be 942, passing the fruit stand. Still headed east, 948 now.
201, 1 minute left on that pit timer.
Did you black out?
No. Be advised, he was
okay.
With cement barrier. And
yeah.
Went down into the quarry.
Go straight.
10-4, we advised on him.
The quarry.
201, he just got hit by a train. His vehicle just got hit by a train.
What? Yes.
We're gonna be 960 on the train track.
Good thing we got
Just after that. Sir, can you hear us?
He got
Sir.
He got smacked by the train.
Yeah, he's passed out. I'm gonna try and get in, see if the door's unlocked.
might well wrap this up quickly in case another train comes by.
Yeah, good point. Yeah, say break the window.
Yep.
Bruh. Bruh.
Damn it.
Bruh.
Damn it.
Bruh.
Damn it. Damn it.
Bruh.
It doesn't.
Bruh.
There we go. We'll just say it's broken.
Because it's not already like partially broken from being hit by a train.
Bruh.
Okay,
well, he's got to bend
doors.
the door back
Yep.
to get it open. There you go.
Oh yeah, this
there we
is
go. There we go.
Good point.
You guys keep
Garrett.
it cleared.
Garrett.
What's up? Super dead.
You 10-9 that last one?
I'm getting my truck off the tracks here.
Probably a good
Alright,
idea.
Yeah.
To Garrett. I was just trying to let him know I'm gonna wait on processing this dude until we get the second dude.
Oh shit. Travis, off the tracks. Travis.
Get off the tracks! Get off the tracks!
Copy, so just process him.
That's him. We'll go ahead and process him.
That truck's no longer gonna be a thing.
Oh
man.
Yeah, that's rough.
Well, he was dead before, so it's not like he's any more dead now.
Well, we're not dead. That's all that matters.
So is he like ultra dead now?
Well,
Yeah,
I mean, he's not flattened. That's good. At least. But
Yeah.
That's damn. This truck took a beating just now.
Yeah, that door got jammed.
All right. So do y'all want me to clear off since y'all have it under control, or?
Yeah, you're good.
All right.
Hey, yeah, it's Travis. I need you down here to 960. We got a pretty bad accident. I need you to get this truck out of here. Yep. Be down here in 15. Okay. But all right, yeah, he'll be on the way. He's about 15 out. I'll call corner.
That train is legit.
Yeah. And I think it's gonna come again and hit him. Does it go on that other track?
I think so.
201 County Corner down to 960 for one subject, 1144. Okay.
Great. So I hope it comes again and whacks him.
We're just gonna launch him right into y'all.
It's funny that he just happened to pass that right when a train.
Oh, he's gonna get hit again.
There it is!
Everybody back up.
Oh boy.
Oh, this poor guy. He just doesn't get a break. Ooh.
Oh, that was a good one.
That was a good one.
Oh, he's back on another one. The corner don't hurt, but get here. He's gonna get hit again. I don't know why you're running over there like he's gonna stop anything. He's already dead.
He's starting to look like
Hey, the back door's broken now.
Oh. Oh. Corner arrived. We can search the vehicle now. Before tow hit gets here.
Damn, this thing is fucked up. Kinda looks like that shitbox Ram that the sheriff drives around all the time.
Huh? Alright, I have people speaking in my head. I probably need to get that checked out.
239 all units. Be advised, I had a black truck at the sheriff's station that had a assault rifle out when I pulled up.
Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and
Be on the
clear
lookout
off.
for
Yeah. This,
Yeah.
black truck.
okay, wrap.
That's
I mean, coroner came for the body, so we're good.
2-1, I'm gonna be back to Nate. What kind of truck did you say that was?
Bruh.
My door fell off.